students twill weave oda different types அல்லது derivatives பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதில் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது twill weave, rearrange twill weave. ஸோ twill weave வந்து நம்ம rearrange பண்ணும்பொழுது we will get some different types of weaves. So we will see one by one. So first rearrange twill is satin, right? So in satin weave we are rearranging warp phase twill. So satin means warp phase rearranged twill. Okay, so now we will see how we are converting the twill weave into satin weave. So I am taking 3 by 1 twill. 3 by 1 twill எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன். So you know that first we have to mark the starting point and you have to mention the warp ups. Okay, so this is 3 by 1 twill. So how we are constructing 3 by 1 satin? For this you have to change the starting point. So in case of twill weave the starting point should be diagonal, but in case of satin weave we can rearrange, we have to rearrange the starting point. For example, this is starting point means, and in second warp the starting point may be 3 and this may be 2 and this may be 4. So in regular time, in regular twill weave the starting point is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in 3 by 1 satin the starting point 1 3 2 4. Okay, now using this base or this starting point we are going to construct 3 by 1 twill. Okay, so 1 up 2 up 3 up and 1 up 2 up 3 up and 1 up 2 up 3 up 1 up 2 up 3 up. Now the difference between 3 by 1, 3 by 1 twill and 3 by 1 satin. Here the starting point 1 3 2 4. Okay, so this is the difference between 3 by 1 twill and 3 by 1 satin. So satin is a rearranged weave of twill, right? So okay, we will see one more satin weave. Okay, so in 3 by 1 satin, now the starting point 1 3 2 4. Even we can change the starting point as 1 4 3 2 or 1 4 2 3. 3. Okay, so we can change the starting point irregularly also. Here we are the starting point as one skip, that is 1. So instead of 2 the starting point becomes 3. Okay, so there is a one skip, and 2 instead of 3 there is a one skip, that is 4. So 1 4 1 3 2 4. Here the starting point 1 3 2 4. Okay, and here the starting point 1 4 2 3. So the starting point we can rearrange the starting point. So if we are rearranging the starting point in a particular pattern, that weave is known as regular satin. If we are rearranging the starting point in irregular pattern, that satin is known as irregular satin. Okay, in regular satin the starting point will be rearranged in a particular pattern. That means one skip or two skip, like that. In irregular satin there is no any pattern for rearranging the twill. Okay, right. Now this is a example of irregular satin because the starting point is 1 4 2 3 like that. Okay, so now we are constructing the satin based on this starting point. Okay, so 3 up 1 down. See, so this is a difference between the regular satin and irregular satin. Okay, we will see one more example. Here I have drawn the table for 5 by 1 irregular satin. Okay, the starting point is rearranged based on a pattern of one skip, that is 1 3 5 2 4. This is a one skip of rearranging the starting point. Okay, here the 5 by 1 satin irregular. See, 1 4 3 5 2 6. So there is no any pattern in rearranging the starting point. Okay, so this is known as irregular satin. Okay, so if you are going to draw a satin weave, means you have to fix the what is the number of warp up, warp down, and then you have to fix the starting point. If it is a regular satin, means you have to arrange the starting point in a regular pattern. If it is a irregular pattern, means you have to rearrange the starting point in a any random order. Okay, so okay, now we are going to construct 5 by 1 satin. So you know that. So in 5 by 1 satin, there are 5 ups, 1 down. So based on the starting point, we are drawing the weave of 5 by 1 satin. Okay, so this is a 5 by 1 regular satin. Okay, okay, now we are going to draw complete the 5 by 1 satin in irregular, that is, it is a irregular satin. So because I have already told, that is, in irregular satin, the starting point of the satin weave is rearranged in a random way. Okay, this is about the irregular satin. Okay, so in exams, you have to follow this pattern for drawing the satin weave. Right? Thank you.